Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be diving into the topic of apple cider vinegar and its potential impact on weight loss. Apple cider vinegar has gained popularity in recent years for its supposed health benefits, including weight management. So, let's explore the claims and scientific evidence behind this popular remedy. Before we delve into its effects on weight loss, let's briefly discuss what apple cider vinegar is. Apple cider vinegar is made through a fermentation process that converts the sugars in apples into acetic acid. It is this acetic acid that is believed to be responsible for some of the potential health benefits. One of the claims often associated with apple cider vinegar is its ability to suppress appetite. Some believe that consuming apple cider vinegar before meals can help you feel fuller and reduce calorie intake. However, the scientific evidence supporting this claim is limited. In a small study conducted with a group of participants, some were given apple cider vinegar before a high-carbohydrate meal, while others were not. The study found that those who consumed apple cider vinegar experienced slightly lower blood sugar levels and increased feelings of fullness. However, it's important to note that the effect was relatively modest. Another study suggested that apple cider vinegar might help control cravings by delaying stomach emptying, which could lead to reduced calorie intake. However, more research is needed to fully understand this mechanism and its impact on weight loss. Another claim often associated with apple cider vinegar is its potential to enhance fat burning. Some believe that the acetic acid in apple cider vinegar can boost metabolism and aid in weight loss. However, the scientific evidence for this claim is limited and conflicting. In a study conducted on animals, it was found that apple cider vinegar helped reduce body weight and fat accumulation. However, it's important to remember that results from animal studies may not directly translate to humans. In a small human study, participants who consumed apple cider vinegar alongside a calorie-restricted diet experienced slightly greater weight loss compared to the control group. While the results are promising, further research is needed to confirm these findings on a larger scale. Before incorporating apple cider vinegar into your weight loss routine, it's important to exercise caution and consider a few things. First, apple cider vinegar is highly acidic, and consuming it undiluted can harm tooth enamel and irritate the throat. It's best to dilute it with water before consumption. Additionally, it's always recommended to consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet or weight loss regimen. In conclusion, while there is some preliminary evidence suggesting that apple cider vinegar may have modest benefits for weight loss, more research is needed to fully understand its effects. It's important to approach apple cider vinegar as a potential complement to a healthy diet and lifestyle, rather than a magical solution for weight loss. That wraps up today's video on apple cider vinegar and weight loss. We hope you found this information helpful and informative. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more science-backed content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.